Today, let's talk about some of my current beauty faves. Actually, combination to guys. We have makeup, skincare, and also perfumes. So basically, these products are the one na talagang gamit na gamit ko and also sobrang na-enjoy. And since sobrang daming products kong na-enjoy lately, I thought it would be nice na i-share sa inyo yung ilan sa mga favorites ko. First up, we have the new Garnier Anti-Acne Serum, which I have been wanting to get my hands on for so long, even before pa siyang i-launch. Love the bottle, by the way, kasi it looks so pleasing to the eyes. As for scent, this one actually smells really close dun sa vitamin C serum, which makes me so happy kasi I love this scent. Siguro by now, alam niyo na how much I love the Garnier Vitamin C Serum, as in sobrang favorite ko yon. I swear by that product and I have been using that for years. And the best thing about this one is that meron din siyang vitamin C and also other ingredients na perfect if you have acne-prone skin. Another thing that caught my attention dito sa product na to is that it is clinically proven to remove 90% ng acne signs and acne marks. Diba? Super impressive. Like, never ko pang narinig yun sa ibang serums. You guys know na sobrang bilis ko magka-acne, specifically sa lower half ng aking face, diba? That has been my concern ever since, especially nung nag-pandemic. And also whenever I have facial hair, actually. And sobrang annoying, to be honest. I have been testing this new Garnier Anti-Acne Serum for a couple of weeks, day and night. And so far, I'm really enjoying this one. Ingredient-wise, super impressive kasi diba, everything that you need to fight acne nandito na. So yeah, basically, this is the only acne product in the market na merong 4% derma actives. It contains vitamin C, meron siyang niacinamide, salicylic acid, and AHA. Vitamin C, of course, helps brighten the skin. Salicylic acid, perfect siya for swelling and redness. Niacinamide, of course, nakakatulong siya to brighten dark spots. And lastly, of course, yung AHA, nakakatulong naman siya to remove dead skin cells. Some of the things na na-notice ko after using this is, of course, number one, nag-brighten yung skin ko. Sobrang bihira na din ako magka-acne or pimple. I mean, of course, hindi yun may iwasan from time to time magkakaroon pa din, but ever since using this, I feel like it became slower. Formula and consistency-wise, absolutely amazing. Definitely perfect for everyday kasi yung consistency niya is thin. And of course, kapag ka thinner yung consistency ng serum, it means na mabilis siyang ma-absorb ng skin, and that is actually the case dito sa Garnier Anti-Acne Serum. Konting massage lang or work sa skin and that's it. Very noticeable and also visible na na-penetrate na ng product yung skin. Super nice as well, especially kung kayo yung klase ng tao na mahilig mag-pile up ng skincare or ng product. Because again, since nga super light nung kanyang texture and also consistency, what will happen is hindi siya mag-a-add ng kahit anong thickness or weight sa skin. Definitely one of those skincare products na hindi ako magdadalawang isip gamitin everyday kasi very comfortable siya sa skin. Doesn't sting the skin as well, which I appreciate kasi I hate that kind of serum. And of course, as always, best thing about Garnier is that product nila are dermatologically tested, kaya sigurado kayong safe to use and talagang applicable sa kung anong skin concern yung meron kayo. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Definitely a game changer, specifically sa serum world. For those of you na naghahanap ng bagong serum to test, specifically kung meron kayong acne-prone skin, and yung hinahanap yung serum is yung merong power to reduce acne and acne marks, check this one out. You can get this one for 649 pesos for 30 ml, which is what I'm holding. But for those of you who don't want to commit for a full bottle yet, you can also get the Garnier Anti-Acne Serum 7.5 ml for 169 pesos. Availability, of course, is sa Shopee and Lazada, so make sure to check the description box kasi ililink ko tong product. For makeup, yung first sa aking list is itong Detail Cosmetics Fresh Filter Foundation. And for this, yung shade na gamit ko is Creme. Color-wise, I'm really happy kasi itong shade na to, guys, sobrang close sa skin tone ko. Kaya kapag in-apply ko siya sa face, almost non-detectable. Sobrang lightweight and comfortable nito sa skin, grabe. It looks and performs like a high-end foundation. And in fair naman sa packaging nila this time, di ba? Sobrang nice na. And it breaks my heart to know na hindi ko siya mabibili agad kasi paubos na to eh. Detail please, utang na loob, i-restock nyo na to. Highly, highly recommend this, and kapag ka naging available, I suggest na bumili kayo ng travel size para matry nyo siya. This one as well from Zeesea Cosmetics, which is yung kanilang primer I have been using non-stop. Actually, ito yung combo ko. Kapag ka ito yung gamit kong foundation, for sure, ito yung primer. And the reason why is because brightening nga itong primer na to, kaya every time na gamit ko siya, I feel like lesser foundation na lang yung kailangan. This is how it looks like. Mukha lang siyang intimidating and sobrang bright, but actually kapag ka naman binblend nyo na siya sa skin, specifically sa face, after a few blending and minutes, actually close na siya sa skin color. Issy & Co launched 10 new blushes, and oh my god, I'm so freaking obsessed. If you love Issy & Co's cream bronzer formula, you will definitely enjoy this one as well. And if a-flash ko na lang sa screen yung swatches kasi nagawan ko na ng TikTok video to and also ng IG post. Again, they have total of 10 shades dito sa mga blushes swatches and yung pinaka nag-stand out sa akin is itong si Safe Word, which is a delicate peach pink shade. Look at the shade, diba? Sobrang perfect for everyday kasi it gives you that very, natural flush vibe. Even this shade, which is called Bang, sobrang nice niya. Highly, highly recommend. Definitely a must try. For powder, of course, yung ginagamit kong non-stop is yung bago ng Get Ready With Me, which is yung velvet powder nila. Nagawan ko na ng video to, but unfortunately, yung shade na ginamit ko doon, hindi ko match. A little bit dark sa aking skin tone. But this one I have is actually yung perfect shade for me. This one is Shell. So happy dito sa powder na to. Actually, pinagpahinga ko muna yung MAC na ginagamit ko. Great for mattifying the skin, for retouching, for adding a little bit of coverage. And I also love that it doesn't look powdery or dry. This one is so freaking good. Color-wise, by the way, super close sa skin tone ko. Kaya if same tayo ng skin tone or lighter kayo sa akin, for sure, etong Shell din yung mag-work sa inyo. For lips, first up, we have the Vice Cosmetics Lip Liners. You guys need to try this, specifically yung shade na nasa center, which is si Kizz and Tell. Such a beautiful shade. Look at that, sobrang perfect ng shade. Very universal and perfect for everyday. Formula-wise, I love it kasi super creamy and easy to apply. Glides amazing on the lips. Also, ang maganda dito is even alone, actually, pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang gamitin. But to me, what I love doing dito is nilalagay ko siya all over the lips. Then after that, tsaka ko siya papatungan ng clear gloss or kaya ng shimmery na gloss. This next one is from Choo Choo Beauty and ito yung kanilang Lipstack. This is actually what I'm wearing today and palagi siyang nasa aking makeup desk ngayon. Number one, of course, super cute kasi niya. Second, I love pink lipsticks. And third, of course, you have 3 shades na dito, diba? And also, meron na din siyang lip balm sa bottom. Kaya, diba, kompleto na. If you want to make it more shiny or glossy, you can add this. These are the swatches and as you guys can see, sobrang on point. Ang ganda ng mga shade, diba? Feminine, ang fresh. Love the formula as well kasi hindi siya drying sa lips. This one, medyo bago lang siya sa aking collection but I have been using this non-stop for over a week now. This is from Innisfree and ito yung isa sa kanilang mga glowy or parang shiny na lip balm. And let me show you guys how it looks like. Kasi sobrang ganda. Oh my god. Ito siya kapag nakalagay na sa lips and look how juicy and shiny it is. Meron din siyang very minimal color na nilalagay but actually they have other shades pa na nagsistain. Ito yung shade number 1 which is baby pink. Sobrang ganda and you need to get your hands on this if you have dry lips. Very hydrating and moisturizing and actually palagi na siyang nasa bag ko ngayon kasi nga sobrang love na love kong gamitin. This one is from OVW and ito yung kanilang Rare Beauty Foundation Brush Dupe. I believe this one I got for less than 150 pesos and I absolutely love the quality. This one you guys know na sobrang love ko for concealer but this one, oh my god, sobrang perfect for foundation. Slanted kasi yung shape niya kaya nakakapasok sa mga creases and also kapag ka pinang-brush, di ba, naka-flat sa skin. Love the density as well kasi it doesn't eat so much foundation. Actually, hinihintay ko lang mag-sale kasi bibili pa ako nito because I feel like pwedeng-pwede din siya for cream bronzers and contour or even blush. For perfumes, first up we have Soft by Al Rehab. Kung naghahanap kayo ng dupe for Pink Sugar, get this one kasi sobrang close ng amoy nila sa isa't isa. Pink Sugar is only an EDT but this one actually yung concentration niya EDP kaya mas long-lasting siya. This one is a very sweet scent by the way kaya if you don't like sweet scents, baka hindi niyo siya magustuhan. But again, kung naghahanap nga kayo ng dupe or alternative sa Pink Sugar, eto na yon. So I have here 3 more perfumes to share and this is only 65 pesos. Actually, 5 yung variants na meron sila dito but since etong tatlo yung nag-stand out sa akin, eto na lang yung i-share ko. First up, we have White Moon and this one is actually a very masculine scent. Musky and fresh yung amoy niya. For school and office, okay na okay to and perfect for guys. Sobrang bango. This one is Blue Sky. And this one actually reminds me of the NG Light Blue. Citrusy, light, and fresh. And for this, actually to my nose, unisex yung scent. Lastly, we have this one which is called Orange. And ito actually yung top 1 ko sa lahat because it is a fruity floral scent. Medyo may pagka-melon yung scent niya. A little bit sweet and fresh. Okay na okay for everyday and for school kasi hindi intimidating.